Hello everyone, good morning all. So happy Ganesh Chaturthi, and let's have the continuation of our FAANG and MNC's SQL queries practice. So they have given us the friendship table to us, and in the friendship table they have given us the user 1 ID and user 2 ID. So user 1 ID and user 2 ID is the primary key, means the combination of these two columns is the primary key for this table, and each row of this table indicates that there is a friendship relation between user 1 ID and user 2 ID, and there is a likes table. So in the likes table user ID column is given and page ID column is given, and user ID and page ID is the primary key for this table. Each row of this table indicates that user ID likes page ID. So write a solution to recommend pages to the user with user ID equal to 1 using the pages that your friends liked. So it should not recommend pages you already liked. So user ID 1 has some friends, right? So we need to refer those pages to the user ID 1 which pages are liked by their friend, and if that user ID 1, if that page is already liked by the user ID 1, then we need to exclude that pages. So it should not recommend pages you already liked, right? Return the result table in any order without duplicates. So here is the example. Input table, this is a friendship table, user ID 1, user ID 2, user 2 underscore ID, right? So now if you see over here, user 1 has this much of friends, right? User ID 2, then user ID 3, then user ID 4, and then user ID 6, because ultimately we have to check one in either user 1 ID or user 2 ID, right? So 6 is also a friend with user 1. Here you can see that 4, 3 and 2, right? Now we need to check what are the pages has been liked by 2, 3, 4 and 6. So if you see over here, 2 has liked 23 page ID, and 23 has liked 24 page ID, and 4 has liked 56. So now we need to identify all the page liked by their friend, and then we need to check that user 1 has which page is liked already, that we need to exclude. So here we need to, I have already created both the tables, friendship table and likes table, and inserted the data into the same. And now if you see, now how we can approach to resolve this query, right? So here I have written the query like the user ID 1 should become either in user 1 ID or it should become in either user 2 ID. So we need to check that data. So let me select the data, and now we are just referring user 1 ID, right? So this 2, 3, 4 and 6 are the friends with user 1, right? Now what is our requirement? Wow, now we need to check which are all the pages has been liked by 2, 3, 4 and 6. So all this 23, 24, 56, 33, 77 and 88, these all pages are liked by the user one's friend, user id one's friends, right? Now we need to check which are the pages has been liked by user 1 already. So 88 page id 88 is already liked by user 1, right? So now we need to exclude that page from our result set. So what we can do, we can write the except statement, and then that except statement, from the first block we need to accept that already liked by the user id 1, that is 88, right? So now this should be our output: 23, 24, 56, 33 and 77, right? So this should be our output. So I will put this create table script and insert statement in the video. Let me comment if there is any doubt in the solution for this. Thank you so much everyone. We will come again with the next few questions as soon as possible. Thank you.